I'm Jake here from Delta Perform. We got your new van here for you.
Super excited. Looking good. Do a quick walk around. Looks good, Jake.
Good to hear it.
Well, thanks.
Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
All right. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
This is it. Been waiting since February. Ready for the build. Hey YouTubers, first trip in the van. Just picked it up from Joplin Ford and I'm headed from Prescott Valley to Lake Mary Road to meet Sean, Veronica, and Yarrow to hang out tonight and have my first sleepover in the van. Talk to you soon. See you later. The first train in the summer and there's in Phoenix. Headed back home after a night out in Flag with Yarrow, Veronica, and Sean. Zoila. It was a great time. I'm headed south through Quince Well and